Man, I just got this new car, you know what I'm saying? Let me go to the clothes store. Man, I just got this drip. Hold on. Oh my kids, let me play this Playboy Cardi.
Around in my place, but this head nigga right now, he motherfucking space. Hello. Hold on, hold on, red, hold on, bitch, I just got this and they feel my face. And it doesn't spread out in my case. You get shot on your head, nigga, fuck your face. Got a bad ass bitch right now, she run around in my place. But this head nigga right now, he motherfucking place. I'm in the back of the spot, yeah.
Say, man, let me go sign these papers like real talk. Like, bro, I hate signing papers every day. Like, real talk, man. Be a CEO in United Masters. Man. I just got done signing these papers like real talk. Real talk, man. Say, what this fat boy nigga on? What you on, folk? Oh yeah, see, I was gonna let you slide, but nigga. Let me go back to my car. Gotta hurry up. Ooh, and he shot my car.
These niggas playing games. They check out my fashion, straight inside my jacket. I just feel the breath about my say, let's go get active. Geeking when they cash it. I just let the top down, show them this shit massive. I pull up on freaky spot. I look like a man. Don't be inside my car, got me so dumb that I might need a nanny. Ass shit, to the alley, my girl to feet. I think all these niggas counterfeit. Swing like that, they don't know. Two shots that off his pipe.
Man, I ended up coming to the shop to get my car fixed, like real talk. Down bad what that nigga did to my car. That's why I beat his ass. Man, this car was $20,000. $20,000, man. And he did this. Look at this shit. Look at the fucking scratch. I'm supposed to pay for this, but I know I'm about to pay for it. It's gonna cost me $50,000 to get this fixed. Let me get in this car. Nah, I'm hot up. Ain't got me messed up. Like, folks got me messed up. And I just got my car fixed, man.
Piece of shit, Paul Barry, mad at us. Stuff on him, that's hanging shit. Ooh, 110, I got money. I be fresh as hell, loaded, this